Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I placed my own order from Bakerly and that's what just came. Do you want to know what I ordered? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I know I have showed you guys, Bakerly had sent me some goods to try out for review a while back, and then I've placed my own orders I don't know how many times on their website since. So now I thought I will show you what I purchased, because now they have a new cookbook too, so that should be in here. I think that's why it's so heavy. So you can see that as well, and what I purchased. I do still have my code active. If you are interested, I will link them down below. And SheCrafty 15, which will get you 15% off your entire purchase. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what's in here and let's see what I ordered. I'm so excited when this box comes because everything is so fresh, amazing, and tastes so good. So I was like, I need some more pancakes. I got the email about the cookbook and I'm like, all right, I just need to place an order. So when you open it up, they give you a little paper on top. Your happiness is 100% guaranteed. They do have a 100% guarantee. So if you do not like something, you can get a hold of them and they'll make it right. When your products come, do not freeze them. They're already ready to consume. So don't order too much. Like if you're trying to get back stock, only order what you're going to get that you can eat by the expiration date. So it says store in a cool and dry place. Consume before the best by date stickered on the product. Products are thawed on the day of shipment, so do not freeze. They're already ready to eat. So there's that. And then they do wrap everything up so well. Here's their tissue paper. So their crepes are so good. My man absolutely loves the strawberry. And so I got 2 of those. And I absolutely love the chocolate hazelnut filled with the crispy balls. So yes, with the crispy balls. So I got 2 of each. His favorite, my favorite. Oh, that's the cookbook. So nope, that's not why it's heavy. That's very thin. So I did get hamburger buns. There is 4 of them to it. So it's the burger buns. They're so soft and they taste so good. They're so fresh. Every time I've gotten them anyway. And then I also got hot dog buns. So this one comes with 6 hot dog buns. And then I got the bread. This is the sliced brochette. It's the sliced bread. This is so good, so soft. Look at this. It is just so soft and good. I can't wait to make some sandwiches. And then I had to get their pull-apart bread, this braided bread. Oh my gosh, you pull this apart. You don't even need to warm it up. You don't need butter. You don't need nothing. Pull a little piece, add it to your dinner meal, and that is so good. So I got 1 of those, and then I got some pancakes because these are so good and they're individually wrapped. So I bought a few to have here and then 1 to take to work. So I got 3 of these. And then the last thing that I got, oh yes, the chocolate croissants. These are so freaking amazing. They're little croissants with chocolate chips in them. They're good for dessert, breakfast, anytime. They're just amazing. So that is my order, you guys. Very quick and simple, I wanted to show you, but let's look at the cookbook. Hold on. So here's the cookbook. Here it is. So here's the cookbook that I purchased. I think it was like 15 or something like that. But ooh, look at that. So let's just look through this real quick. We have herbage. There's some bread. Bread? Oh no, that is garlic bread. Yes, so the whole book is a recipe book using their products, I bet, like their bread and stuff. So you have a whole cookbook. I can't wait to sit down and go through it and see what I want to make. Everything looks amazing and ooh, I'm already getting hungry. So there is that book. So that is everything that I wanted to show you. Again, I wanted to show you an order that I purchased. So it's not just what they're sending me for review. It's what I'm actually purchasing and rebuying to keep in my own household that I wanted to show you as well. So this is everything that I purchased this time. And again, SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off your order. I will link everything down below if you would like to check them out. So that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of my purchase? Are you excited that they just came out with a cookbook? I am. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.